कॉस्मोस का प्रॉब्लम क्या पता आपको?
I love it, शिव भाई।
No,
आपने बहुत अच्छी चीज पढ़ी है।
It's amazing product. The only drawback that they have कि जो एटम का टोकेनॉमिक्स है ना, उसके बिहाइंड उन्होंने टोकेनॉमिक्स ज्यादा बनाया नहीं. सो बेसिकली ज्यादा करके पब्लिक गुड्स बनाए कॉस्मोस ने. जो कॉस्मोस एसडीके है वो पब्लिक के लिए. आई मीन यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग एंड यू कैन यूज दैट एसडीके एंड बिल्ड अ ब्लॉकचेन. ओके, टेंडर मेड. You can build this, you can take this consensus layer and you can apply it. You can deploy it on the blockchain. You don't have to pay anything. And then you have Cosm, which is for smart contracts, right? You apply that, you don't have to pay anything. All public goods.
All public goods.
All public goods. So there is no utility for Atom. So that's why इसके लिए Atom की कुछ performance नहीं. But now what they have done with Atom 2.0 का जो white paper है, right? Now they have created with IBC. So every chain who wants to use IBC, like connect to the hub. So basically Binance. And this is what happened there. You know, usually starting में Facebook, आप Facebook पे YouTube पर link share नहीं कर सकते थे initially. Like they were not interoperable, right? That was later on कि okay Facebook पे आप YouTube का link भी share कर सकते हो, right? Something like this, right? So now going ahead, जो blockchains है, इतनी सारी blockchains बन रही हैं, boss. If they cannot talk to each other, what's the point?
There's no point.
There's no point. And that is what Cosmos is trying to do. Cosmos has created this IBC. Okay, with IBC allows blockchains to interact with each other, transfer assets from one blockchain to other blockchains, right? And anybody can use IBC, by the way, right? So, and to use IBC, I think there is a utility for Cosmos, right? Because then you will need to spend Cosmos, I guess, Atom. Because something like this. So basically, you will have to use Cosmos Hub in order to use IBC. तो यहाँ पे Atom की utility बढ़ेगी. Then, so basically ये लोग long term game खेल रहे हैं Cosmos का. वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सबको फ्री में बांटो, एक ना एक दिन तो आएंगे हमारे पास. It's just like Facebook, Google, right? ये तो फ्री आने दो सबको आने दो. You know, जब सब लोग आ जाएंगे ना, फिर हम लोग बताएंगे कि भाई अब तुम
हम है क्या,
अब ये भी है, अब ये भी है, आप तुमको एटम की. I think that's what their plan is. But amazing project, man. I'm
very amazing
project. और ये देखो बहुत ये खतरनाक चीज है. देखो ये देखो रहे हो, दिख रहा है? Right. So if you click on any blockchain, so for example, so Kronos chain, आपको पता है ना Kronos chain crypto.com वाला,
crypto.com.
तो Kronos chain कितने blockchain से connected है through IBC? Look at this.
आकाश से connected है, Juno, आकाश
से connected है,
बिल्कुल.
क्या देखो
crypto.org, Juno और Terra.
By the way, this is a great example. Terra was a blockchain built on Cosmos, right?
Okay.
Terra's economic failed, but nothing happened to Cosmos. You see how it just amplifies how secure Cosmos is. Right? So a sovereign blockchain, because of their tokenomics, they can fail, but nothing happens to Cosmos. Right? And so similarly, let's look at किसी और ब्लॉकचेन का देखते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल कॉस्मोस अब तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारे कनेक्टेड होगा. आकाश नेटवर्क,
ये जो कॉस्मोस जी
है ना,
कावा कॉस्मोस के बराबर में कोजीरा नजर आया था मुझे.
हाँ, कोजीरा नेटवर्क इज आल्सो बिल्ट ऑन कॉस्मोस. लेट मी
कॉस्मोस
हाँ यहाँ पे देखो
कॉस्मोस.
कोजीरा ज्यादा इनका. So this is IBC is nothing but it's a route. So these are the blockchains that they can transfer assets in between. So they can talk to each other, things like that. So whatever apps are being built on this, whatever apps are being built on this. Okay. See, as a developer, as a builder, I need to build a dApp on a blockchain where I can also attract users from other blockchains.
Other blockchain as well.
Right? I am not operating in silo because otherwise मेरे users हैं. So this is called collaboration, right? So now we can, and also this is good for user, right? So for example, Gmail. One of the reason लोग Gmail, Google और भी यूज करते हैं because then you're able to use so many apps, log in through Gmail like this, right? So basically